Welcome to number 2 Church Walk in Crowton. This incredible family home is situated on a really large plot. It has an amazing contemporary interior, and just check out the wraparound garden. I absolutely love those gardens, but first of all, let's check out the view. The heart of this incredible family home is this large open plan living dining kitchen with twin sets of bifold doors and a really fantastic roof lantern. This large living room is a fantastic size. It has a double-sided log burner through to the kitchen and more patio doors out into the garden. So that was a brief glimpse at number 2 Church Walk. For more information or to book a viewing, please contact me or one of my team. We'll be only too happy to help.